welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Supriya Singh and today I'm gonna convert this skinny jeans into a fashionable skirt. I just want to give my skirt a special look or do something different. So let's be into this video and let's see what is going to be made with this skinny jeans. So I had this particular pair of jeans, so I thought it was time to transform something new. So get ready to unleash your creativity in this video. So this is the jeans. First of all, I marked the lines from where I have to cut this jeans. After cutting the jeans, I ended up having to seam rip all the way to the bottom of the place that holds the jeep. I also seam ripped the back seam and I just made sure I wrapped it up until the fabric could lay flat on the top of each other. But by mistake this part is deleted from my phone, so I didn't show you how I did it. But I hope you will understand. When you're done with cutting and opening the seam rip of the jeans, the second step is to stitch the skirt. Here I stitch with myself with the help of sui and dhaga because I didn't have sewing machine. If you have it, then do it with the help of your machine. Similarly, I stitch the back part of the skirt with the help of sui dhaga. And now my skirt is ready, but it's not looking so cool, so I want to give it a gothic vibe by adding a touch of darkness with the safteypin details, giving my skirt a rebellious gothic twist. I use safteypin on the pocket area and lower edge of the skirt. And now my skirt is totally ready. I really love how it stands out and I think it is a super fun way to reuse your jeans. To complete my gothic inspired outfit, I am sharing my makeup look that as bold as my safteypin skirt. From dark eyes to bold lips, I'll show you how to create a dramatic gothic glam look that's perfect for you. For my makeup, I use aloe vera gel for hydration and sunscreen for protection, foundation as a base for an even tone, blush for a subtle glow, eyeliner for a dramatic eye, highlighter for a radiant touch, lipstick for a bold gothic lip, and compact for a flourish finish. It's my first time that I do my makeup with myself, so I'm a little bit nervous or scared for how my look turned out. But I just try my best to do my makeup as good as possible. Hey guys, so my makeup is done and now I'm going to do my hair. I'm ready with my outfit. I think you should must try this. It's sustainable, it's good for environment, it saves your money, and I really love refashioning things and I hope you do too. Take a look of my outfit with some mirch masala.
ना उसको पता ना उसकी खता मैं उस पे